Nice to see you again. Welcome to my channel, Home Queen Cooking. Today we are making butter bread, which is extremely beautiful, sweet flavored bread. You need pastry flour, all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, dry baker's yeast, 2 egg yolks, butter, and some milk. First thing you should do is melt some butter because by the time you get to knead it, it will cool down a little bit. Second step you should do is mix baker's yeast with a little bit of water, stir, and put it aside for at least 5 minutes. Mix all of the dry ingredients together and then start adding eggs, baker's yeast, and slowly add milk. Squeeze everything together, play with it, knead it. It's not a rocket science. But if you don't feel like kneading, you can use stand mixer if you have one, which allows you kneading with that special appliance, which is a hook. When your dough feels sticky but compact and you don't see any flour anywhere around, add butter and knead just a little bit more. You will see that your dough is not attached to your container anymore. In case you're using stand mixer, add butter at the very end. Cover the dough with kitchen towel for 1 hour, and after 1 hour, knead it a little bit on your working surface where you sprinkled a little bit of flour. Divide your dough into 2 pieces and each piece roll so that you can make 2 very long lines of dough. Another option is just to keep squeezing one dough until it becomes longer and longer. Put some oil on a baking pan and sprinkle flour on the top of it, and this way your bread will not stick on a pan. Now take both of your doughs and keep switching them from one side one, on the top of another, again on the top of another, and so on. You're not making a braid because you just have 2 doughs, but as you see me doing, it's quite easy. Just keep switching sides and you'll do it in the circle. And once you're done, you will notice that dough is not filling all of the pan, and that's okay because you have to cover it with a kitchen towel once again, put it aside for 1 hour, and then when you bake it, you will see because of the yeast, your bread will grow. So you have to leave it some space. Every bread once baked should stay folded in the kitchen towel for a little bit, but you want to eat this bread warm. You can eat it anyhow, but warm is the best. So just fold it in the kitchen towel for 15 minutes and then serve it. I hope to hear in comments how your bread turned out. Thanks for watching this video. Click a like on it, and if you still haven't, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next Monday.